Good morning, one and all. We celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti because it's Gandhiji's 152nd birth anniversary. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name Father of the Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence, not only in India, in fact, in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi's principles of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation the contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He was a devotee of truth and non-violence. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence on 15th June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along with the President of India, gathers here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, is sung for him. All the schools, colleges, private offices, and government organizations remain closed on this national holiday. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. He was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law in the UK and then shifted to South Africa to practice it. After 21 years, he started with peaceful civil disobedience or satyagraha. After coming back to India with ahimsa, he fought for the freedom of India for British rule. It is because of him and other national freedom fighters, India got freedom from 200 years of slavery. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have faith in themselves and fight for their rights. He asked the Indians not to serve the British and fight for their freedom. It is because of his devotion and struggle that India is a free bird today. Gandhiji spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. He joined Gopala Krishna Gokhale, who was already struggling for his Indians' independence. During this struggle, Gandhiji had to go to jail several times. He has led to many important movements such as the Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement, and non-cooperation movement. Also, he started Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930 and walked for 400 kilometers. Quit India was a call to Britishers to leave India and go. He did great works all through his life, which still has an impact on the people in this modern era. He has worked with great efforts to achieve Swaraj, to remove untouchability customs from society, the eradication of other social evils, empowering women's rights, developing the economic condition of farmers, and many more. Many in leaders and freedom fighters have also contributed their part in getting India's independence, such as Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and many more. They have fought till the death has touched their feet and taken them to heaven. In the history of India, these national freedom fighters, also with Gandhiji, will always be remembered. India finally got its independence on 15th August 1947, and we celebrate this day as Independence Day every year. Bapu was a great personality and is an inspiration to many people. We celebrate this day in order to pay tribute to Mahatma. Jai Hind.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।